Welcome to the first chapter from Flamingo, the last lesson. Very ironic name, though it is the first lesson, but considering the political background of the story, it's a very pertinent and apt title, The Last Lesson. The French teacher, Mr. M. Hamel, is imparting his last lesson to his students in school because the story has as its political background the Franco-Prussian War that was fought in 1870-71, where Germany defeated France, and as a result the order had been released from Germany to impose German language in all the French provinces as a part of their linguistic chauvinism. They tried to impose their colonial rule on the French people, depriving them of their birthright of learning their mother tongue. The story has a very inspirational side as well. It impresses on the readers the idea why mother tongue is an important part of everyone's existence. It gives us a linguistic and cultural identity. It empowers a race and of course gives it a power to free itself from any foreign enslavement. Mr. Hamel praises the language as the most logical and beautiful language, French, and urges upon his students to safeguard it before he left the school. And Franz, the naughty boy, a truant who always used to be a slacker in studies, a latecomer, when he reached school, he realized that Sir was leaving. He was in his ceremonial dress. The last benches were occupied by the villagers who came to pay a tribute to the teacher. And the school was unusually silent like a Sunday. And he was quite surprised for not being scolded by his strict teacher for entering late in the class. But ultimately, the words were like a thunderclap to his ears when he came to know about the political order that had come from Berlin, restricted schools of Alsace and Lorraine from teaching French language anymore. Franz felt repentant. He really felt guilty for not having learned the language when he had enough time. Always he kept things for tomorrow, but unfortunately that better tomorrow never came. And the teacher was also having a tone of self-reproach because sometimes Mr. Hamel, in spite of his best devotion, he had also not been very sincere, since he had often taken a day off and gone for fishing, or the parents who had not realized the importance of education and had sent their children to work in the mills. So he felt that it was a collective responsibility for all of them to make French language something that all should learn, and all the students of the next generation should understand and appreciate the value and worth of their mother tongue. But unfortunately, they failed. So it was a very emotional moment for Sir. He could not resist himself. His voice got choked as he wrote on the board, "Vive la France, long live France." The children were also very emotional, and Sir tried his best almost to screw up to their head all that he knew in that last one go before he left the school and a new teacher would come to teach them German. So I think that the story has a very motivational side as it tries to impress on all of us the value of mother tongue, that how we should not neglect our mother tongue and how it gives us a cultural and linguistic identity. It binds us all. It is a mark of a race or a nation which one should always keep in mind. So the story, The Last Lesson, as the title suggests, the French lesson was imparted for the last time by Mr. Hamel, and of course with that thought that they should always cling to their mother tongue, they should never forget it and always try to safeguard it. From this chapter, students are supposed to prepare 1 mark extract based questions, 2 marks 30 to 40 words questions, as well as long questions on character of Mr. Hamill, or the importance of mother tongue, or how he tried to inspire the students to learn French language. All those kinds of questions will be important from this chapter, including the 2 marks that what was unusual that was found by Franz when he entered the school, or why is it titled The Last Lesson, what was the order from Berlin, how did Franz react having heard the order. So this kind of stock questions will be set from this particular chapter. Thank you very much.